everyone, I hope you're well and staying safe and happy at home. Today I'm going to show you how we make our favorite classroom Play-Doh. So some of the ingredients you're going to need are flour, salt, vegetable oil, cream of tartar, food coloring if you have it, mixing spoons and a mixing bowl, and a kettle to boil your water in. Now that you have all your ingredients, we're going to start by mixing our dry ingredients first. So first, we have 1.5 cups of flour. We have a 1/2 cup of salt, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and we'll put that aside. Next, you're going to measure out 1 cup of boiling water. Now, if you've got food coloring, you're going to want to mix it into the water. You'll add 2 tablespoons of oil into the water. Now you're going to mix the water into the dry ingredients. Give it a good stir. When it's starting to clump together, that's when you can take it out and start kneading it with your hands. Keep kneading it until it's a dough-like consistency. And there you have it. We have our classroom Play-Doh.